Would you rather accidentally moan every time you say thank you, or have an extremely loud, uncontrollable orgasm every time you sneeze? Allergy season is about to be crazy.
I feel like honestly, the sneezing one would be more fun.
It would be more fun.
Yeah, the sneezing one.
People would be fucking dying for allergy season to come about.
Oh my god,
Bro, you need a change of
just
pants.
imagine like you just minding your business, like you in a library or like you scanning your groceries, and somebody goes, like how would you feel?
But they're saying it's like
It's loud though, but and you know it's not one sneeze is followed by like 10 more.